Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel Marcel Star. Today I am back this new video and we are from handsome male model and bodybuilder. Fitness set leading character, his name is Dijan Ali, is very famous on social media. He is a 36.1k followers on Instagram account. He has posted 31 pictures in the real share Instagram account, so follow him. His ID mention is my description. Is a very muscular, handsome, very beautiful man. He is a personality like Arias hero he belong from Nolan, and he has a beautiful six pack as a 3D shoulder with a double physique and muscular, and the V shape is very beautiful and very attractive. He is all time my favorite, and if like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more amazing content. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye. Thank you.